My tank is falling. Hello everyone. There's a bad news for my Fluval Evo. I just found out that the stand for my tank is falling due to the water that overflowed from my tank. As you can see, the bottom part is now giving up, and that means it's time to replace the stand. I think the power head has been adjusted in higher speed mode, and that causes the water waves overflowed from the tank and causing the wooden stand to give up. While waiting for my stand delivery, I added temporary piece of wood to balance the tank. After 2 days, I received the stand and assembled it as quick as possible to avoid the whole tank from falling. To make the tank easier to carry, I remove half of the water before moving it. Now that the tank has been placed to the new stand, it's time to put back the water. So after 24 hours of setting up and moving the tank, there's another main problem came out, and the tank is leaking at the bottom corner of the tank. So I realized instead of using a temporary sealant, it's better to replace the whole tank for long-term reasons and peace of mind. So now I ended up replacing the whole stand and the whole tank. For now, that's all for the update. I will be uploading another video once I receive the new Fluval Evo, and we're going to be setting up the new tank. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.